Hello guys, I welcome you to my channel Laser Graphics and Multimedia. My name is Rafi Yakub right here, and in today's video guys I'm going to show you guys how you can create a pipeline text effect in corelDRAW step-by-step tutorial without any stress. All you have to do is to make sure you watch this video from the beginning to the end. So with that being said, so let's dive into the tutorial and see how you can create a pipe text effect in corelDRAW. So first thing first, you have to come to your tools bar here and make sure you select your type tools and then type in whatever you want to type. Okay, so at this point here we have to come to the home tab here and make sure we increase the font size. Let's take a look at 80 and enter. Alright, so the next thing I'm going to do is to convert this particular text into stroke. For you to do that, you have to come to home tab here and make sure you choose your bitmap and make sure you convert to bitmap. So once you convert to bitmap, you're going to be landing into this page. Make sure this is 300 pixels and click on OK. So with that, you have to go back to bitmap again from the home tab here. Go back to bitmap again and then make sure this time around you look for center line tracing and then look for line drawing. Then you're going to have stuff like this. Okay, so make sure this is center line and line drawing. And finally, make sure you click on OK at the bottom here. Now you're going to have the outline that will be formed this way. So next thing is to delete this original text. Okay, then we can press P to centralize, then shift key and drag out just to increase the font size of this particular text. So next thing we have to do here is to ungroup all these elements right here. So for you to do that, you have to come to the home tab here and make sure you click on ungroup all objects. So it's as simple as that. Next thing you have to do here is to go back to your toolbar and then select your circle. So having selected your circle, you have to make sure you draw a perfect circle like this. Then you can fill it with whatever color of your choice. So for me, I'm going to apply fonting fill. So for you to apply fonting fills, you have to come down below here and make sure you choose your interactive fill tools. So having choose your interactive fill tools and make sure you select fonting. Let's click on OK. Fonting. So you're going to have stuff like this. The next thing you need to do is to change the color as the case may be. So for you to do that, you just have to click on here now and then color palette is going to bump up. From here, you can choose whatever color of your choice. Okay, so once you're able to choose the color of your choice, so the next thing you need to do is to make sure you remove the stroke of this shape. For you to do that, you have to come down below here and right click here. The stroke will be automatically removed. Then the next thing is that you have to make a duplicate of this. For you to do that, you have to click and hold down and take it down below right here and make sure you click on copy here. So with that, we are able to make a duplicate. So the next thing you have to do here is to make sure you select everything this way. And you can make a copy and press Ctrl D of this and take it to one side like this. Now we have to apply blend 2 into this. So for you to do that, you have to select the first one and go to your tools bar here and select your blend tools. So after select your blend tools, then you have to select the blend tools and make sure it's matched. Then once you get to this point, you have to come to the home tab here and increase the size. Let's try and see 50. Okay, so I think I'm satisfied with this size. Okay, So the next thing you have to do now is to make sure you have to work on this stuff right here. Right here we have part property, and then we have staging from so we have to come here and make sure you click here and select new part. So after select new part, then you have to take it to the letter here and make sure you choose this part. So it's going to wrap up around the shape right here. So the next thing you have to do is to come here and fit to part. So okay, so we have to click on here and make sure you look for blend along full part. So you are going to have it this way. Okay, then we have to work on this one here also. But for you to make this blend more, you can select the shape again and then come back to the width, come here and change you can increase the blend. So let's see 100%. Okay, so we can copy this one here and copy it into the rest of the shape. So for you to do that, you just have to select the shape here. So when you select the shape, and you have to apply the same system into every other ones here. So we have to select this one here and this one here. So Control D to make a duplicate, and then we need to take this one here also, and then we have to go back to our blend tool. So and then we have to snap to this, and then we have to make sure this is 100%. Enter. Then we have to blend it with the part. So for you to do that, you just have to go here and then click on here and make sure you. So we have to select new part. Then we have to come here now and blend it with full shape. Then we have to fall back to this. So to save the time, we can just make a duplicate of this one here and place it right here. So we have to work on this one right here. So for you to do that, you just have to select this, and we have to go back to our blend tools. We snap them together, and then we have to come here and make this 100%. And new part. This one right here. Then we have to come here now and make sure blend along with foot part. So we can make a duplicate of this. Copy here. So the next thing we can do here, we can change the color of each of these particular blend here. So we can make it counterclockwise, and we can come here and we change this one also. And stuff like this. So once you are able to get to this point, you can now select everything. So once you select everything, you can click on group, and then we can apply background color to this particular text. For you to do that, you have to come to the rectangular tool, double click on the rectangular tool, then you have stuff like this. Then you can just fill it with whatever color of your choice. Boom. So we can select all the text now, the 2023, and we can just make it a little bit more bold, and we can press P to centralize. So we have to come back to our type tools again, and we type in Happy New Year. Okay, so once you get to here, you have to change the color. So I'm going to change it to white and I'm going to make it bold. Then press P to centralize the text, and then we have to press Ctrl key down and take the text at the bottom right here. Now, one thing we can do here, we can select our shape tools just to enlarge, expand the text. Then we can come back to your pick tools and press Shift key and select the 2023 C just to align to the center, and then Ctrl J to group everything, then P to centralize to the to make everything into the center. So this is how you can create a realistic pipeline text effect in corelDRAW step-by-step tutorial. I hope you guys find value for this video. If you enjoyed this video, please give this video a big thumb up, and also remember to subscribe to my channel for more tutorial like this. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.